Managing field operations effectively can be a daunting task, especially in industries like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical contracting, where precision, organization, and communication are critical. BuildOps offer a cutting-edge solution tailored for contractors to simplify the complexities of managing jobs, crews, and workflows. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, BuildOps is designed to optimize your operations with its comprehensive set of tools for dispatching, job tracking, reporting, and much more. This tutorial will walk you through the essential features and benefits of BuildOps, why it's an excellent choice for contractors, and tips to make the most of this platform. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized dispatch and scheduling. BuildOps allows managers to assign jobs to technicians seamlessly through its intuitive drag and drop scheduling board. Real-time updates ensure that everyone stays on the same page, and technicians can access their assignments directly through the mobile app. This boosts operational efficiency by minimizing scheduling conflicts and maximizing technician productivity. Another key feature is the real-time communication. With built-in communication tools, technicians can stay in touch with dispatchers and office staff directly through the platform. This ensures that job updates, questions, and issues are resolved quickly without delays. This enhances collaboration and reduces downtime caused by miscommunication. Another key feature is the job management and reporting. BuildOps provide end-to-end job tracking from the initial work order to job completion. Detailed reports on job costs, timelines, and technician performance help managers make data-driven decisions. This improves job oversight and profitability by giving you actionable insights into your operations. Another key feature is the inventory and asset tracking. So it keeps tabs on your equipment, tools, and materials with BuildOps, robust inventory management system. This ensures that technicians always have the resources they need to complete their tasks. This reduces waste and ensures jobs are completely efficiently without delays caused by missing materials. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility. The BuildOps mobile app enables technicians to access job details, upload photos, fill out forms, and close jobs from the field. It works seamlessly with the desktop platform, ensuring a smooth flow of information. This enhances technician autonomy and speeds up job completion times. Another key feature is the customizable workflows. BuildOps allows businesses to create workflows that suit their unique needs, from recurring maintenance jobs to emergency repairs. The platform adapts to your operational requirements. This streamlines operations while providing flexibility for different type of work. Another key feature is the integration with accounting systems. BuildOps integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, enabling automatic syncing of invoices, payments, and expenses. This reduces manual data entry and improves financial accuracy. This saves time and ensures your financials stay organized and up to date. So, why is BuildOps a great choice? BuildOps stands out as an all in one solution for field service management, specifically designed for contractors. Its intuitive interface and focus on real time updates make it a valuable tool for improving both efficiency and client satisfaction. What sets BuildOps apart is its ability to scale with your business, whether you're managing a small team or a large operation. The platform adapts to your needs. Moreover, BuildOps focuses on user-friendly experience, ensuring that even those new to technology can navigate the platform with ease. With features like robust reporting and seamless integrations, it eliminates the need for multiple systems, reducing complexity and boosting productivity. So here's a tip for maximizing build ops. First, you want to train your team thoroughly. So ensure that your technicians and office staff understand how to use build ops effectively. Leverage the platform's training materials and support to get everyone up to speed. Another tip is to customize your workflows. So tailor the platform to match your business operations. BuildOps offers extensive customization options, so take advantage of them to create workflows that fit your team's needs. Basically, BuildOps is a game changing platform for contractors looking to streamline their field operations. From dispatch and scheduling to reporting and inventory management, it offers everything you need to run an efficient and profitable business. By integrating real time communication, customizable workflows, and mobile accessibility, BuildOps ensures you can provide top notch service to your clients while keeping your team organized and productive. So, with the right approach and commitment to leveraging its features, BuildOps can revolutionize the way you manage your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.